Hi, this is Bilal Khan for Photomochi Studio, and today we're at CES 2025 checking out different exhibits, and today we found a really cool company called Basecase. I have Ashley here talking to us about Basecase, and we're going to find out more about it. Thanks for being here. Thanks for telling us about it.
Of course, thank you. So this is Basecase. It's a mobile workstation. It's 2-screen dual monitors inside a suitcase. Each screen is 24 inches. It has all your power. It has legs attached that just go right up into the screen. It also can just collapse up, and you put it's on wheels, and you take it and you head off.
Nice. So what are some cool features about it? It seems like you guys have 2 screens. Do you guys have a power pack or anything built in?
So we're working on getting the power pack that will be built in. It will also be removable as well, so you can take it in the airlines. You can take it overhead bin. It weighs about 25 pounds. There's lots of different colors. There'll also be options. So there's a little pocket you can put your laptop in. There'll be a detachable pocket as well that you can add clothes, a few items if you need, and then you can just fold it up and go about your way.
Awesome. And what's the way that it connects to your laptop?
Yeah, so there's just HDMI and power cords right here, and it will just plug into your laptop. So you can have your emails, you can have Excel sheets, you can have options for editing videos. There are 3 heights, so 3 different heights that you can have your monitors at, depending how high you need for your laptop, so forth. And like I said, just folds up, clips, and off you go. It takes about 10 seconds to put together.
Nice. You think it's really durable?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
I mean, I wouldn't check it underneath, but I would say it's durable. I mean, these legs are really sturdy. And with the wheels and the weight of the suitcase, it keeps it so it's strong.
It looks really well built. Thank you so much for your time, Ashley. We really appreciate it.